Good morning, everybody. Been a minute. Between us just having a lot of projects going on and kind of forgetting that the cameras exist, we haven't filmed a lot. On the broadside, you haven't really missed much. Like, it's just been small projects here and there. Don't worry about that car. Small projects here and there. Just try to keep things running, and it's been just like our normal day-to-day, radio installs, lights, stuff like that. We are getting back to the tow truck soon. As you did see, we do have a couple of big projects going on. Hopefully you see more than that, but we do have Luke's been working on yanking a motor out of this one. No, we do not normally do heavy mechanic work. We're just looking at either getting this running so Josh can have it back, or possibly making it like a company car. So I'm pretty sure Josh is wanting to keep this for personal use. Other than that, we've done a little bit of tuning on the motor, and then recently upgraded from a Midland 15 watt to a Midland 50 watt. So now we have better range whenever we're out in the Ozarks, Ouachitas. If you go check out Arkansas Off-Road Recovery, I know this is a lot of information. I'm getting to the end, I promise. If you go check out Arkansas Off-Road Recovery on YouTube, you will see, as you can see, how dirty the truck is. We did finally get a recovery in. So it's almost there. We're almost there. We're on the final stretch. We just have a couple of things left to knock off. We'll take it before the towing board, have them look everything over, approve it, and then hopefully get out on the trails and start doing recoveries. But other than that, say hi, Luke. Okay. That's about it. You are now up to speed. Motors hopefully coming out today, but if we can get it, we'll try to include y'all, give y'all a little sneak peek into different life. So hope y'all enjoy. What is up, people of YouTube? So, as you guessed, we're going to be doing a little painting. Yes, it's kind of late in the afternoon. Fortunately, blessing from God, we've actually picked up on business. So, we've actually been pretty busy with things going on. Tonight, tomorrow, we're going to be working on one of the Suburbans. It's one of the company Suburbans for communications. Basically, it is old, it is weathered, and as you can see, roof needs a little work. We got a quote on it. Quote is way too much, thanks to the current economy. So we're going to truck bed line the roof. I know it sounds crazy. No, actually, it's pretty crazy. But when are we not crazy around here? So we're going to Luke already went through and knocked all the surface rust off of it. We're just going to kind of go through, touch up some stuff, and clean everything, tape everything off, get ready, probably get a little bit on today while it's still warm-ish. Excuse me. Thank you. Hey YouTube. So got everything taped up last night, as you can see. Everything's masked off, everything's ready to go. We're gonna get everything painted today. Ended up so failed to take a picture of it, but at the same time it like wasn't my place. Had a couple of guys come by last night. They had an entire hub assembly fall off the trailer, so took a break from this project, helped them out, get them back up on the road because that was more important. But we are back at this today. It is semi early in the morning, so it's early if you're on Tim time. But we have our Hercules bed liner, rollers, and I'm on my second cup of coffee, so hopefully we can get this done soon. Let's get it. Well, good morning. It is only slightly above freezing. It's like 33, 34 this morning. We got the Suburban done. Got the roof painted and everything. Didn't get to film the last little bit of it because we had to rush and get it done, get it packed, get out to a job site for that weekend. But the roof is done. It's kind of a block of ice right now, so you can't really tell the texture or the coating on it, but it's done and it's dry and it actually looks good. So we will get a few things touched up on it and then probably send it up to our Harrison office. So, well, good morning guys. Today's a beautiful day. It's about 17 below zero. We're working on the tow truck. So, not really. I mean, we really are working on the tow truck, but it's like, I think like 35, 36 out right now. We are going to try to go out and clean some trails today. We're going to shoot it over to Arkansas Off-Road Recovery. That YouTube channel is up. If you haven't seen the latest recovery yet, go check it out. One of the reoccurring issues we have with the tow truck is this passenger side tank. The fuel pump is right about there, and for some reason it does not like to stay primed. So anytime the tank runs out of gas or anything happens, hang on, we're getting interrupted. Basically whenever the fuel tanks either run out of gas, or especially this one on the passenger side, randomly will just lose pressure, and so then we have to prime the tank. So that's what we've been working on this morning, is trying to get this tank primed, and then later on today we're gonna go hit some trails and try to do some cleanup. So that video, if you go check out Arkansas Off-Road Recovery, we got our first video up and our first recovery. The trail cleanup is going to be on that video. We'll kind of throw a few things here and there on this channel, but that's mostly going to be Arkansas Off-Road Recovery if you'll go check out that video. But what we are doing over here is trying to reprime the tank, which is easier said than done because you have about this much room to try to get to that hose. So we'll see. I did get it on, and as you can see, we already have some fuel coming through the line. So we're just gonna keep squeezing it, try to get it up to the pump, turn the truck on, run the pump, just kind of help out. Hopefully once it's to the pump, we can get the flow going, and then we'll crimp off the end really quick, put it back on, and hope that it doesn't let go of the siphon. So we'll find out. Well, it's one project down. Everything's put back together, and pump's holding pressure. So hopefully we can take it out now. Maybe, if that guy will let us. He probably will.